Hey guys, welcome back. So today I want to talk about something called VibeAI. And look, when I first saw this, I honestly thought, okay, here we go. Another one of those tools that promises the world and delivers nothing. I was ready to skip it completely. But then I actually sat down and went through the whole thing properly, and now I have some real things to say about. So what I'm going to do in this video is walk you through exactly what Vive AI is, show you how it works, break down all the pricing including the upsells, and then give you my honest opinion on whether this is actually worth picking up or not. No flop, no hype, just a straight honest look at what this thing does. So make sure you watch till the end because the upsell section is something you really want to hear before you buy anything. Alright, let's get into it. So let me explain what Vive AI actually is in the simplest way possible. You know tools like Claude, Lovable and Bolt, right? Where people go, type in a prompt and the AI builds them a website or an app. Okay, so Vive AI lets you launch your own version of that. Your own platform, your own name, your own logo, the whole thing. And here is where it gets interesting. You are not just getting another AI tool to use, you are actually becoming the platform owner. So instead of you going to someone else's platform and paying them every month, other people are coming to your platform and paying you every month. That's the whole idea. Think about it this way. Right now, you might be paying $20 a month to use Claude or $25 a month to use Lovable. With Vive AI, you flip that completely. You become the Claude, you become the Lovable. People sign up on your platform, they use your AI to build their websites and apps, and every single month that money comes to you. That's the big idea here. Stop being the customer and start being the owner. Okay, so let me show you how this whole thing works, and trust me, it's a lot simpler than you might think. So I'm going to be showing you the demo video right now, so watch along with me. So the first thing you do is go inside Vive AI and click on create your Vive coding platform, and right here it asks you to put in your platform title, basically whatever you want to call your platform. Then you can either use their subdomain, or if you have your own domain you can connect that too, which is really cool because it makes the whole thing look completely like your own brand. Then you just upload your logo, write a little description about what your platform is about, and then set your pricing. You decide how much you want to charge your users, monthly or yearly, completely up to you. Then you just hit create and that's it. And honestly, within just a few seconds, the platform is ready. Like it's actually live. So you can click to manage it, hit the preview link, and wow, you have got a fully working platform that looks just like Claude or Lovable, but it's got your name on it, your branding, your logo. It comes with a proper homepage, a features section, a how it works section, and even a pricing page where your users can choose their plan and sign up. The whole thing looks completely professional and nobody would ever guess you built it in under a minute. Now, once a user signs up and logs into your platform, this is where the real magic happens. They can come in and just type whatever they want to build. So for example, in the demo, they typed something like, and within just a few seconds, a complete full website was built right in front of their eyes, like a real proper website with all the sections. The hero area, the product section, the testimonials, the contact page, everything. And right next to the live preview, you can also see the actual code that was generated. You can even switch to mobile view to see exactly how it's going to look on a phone. And the cool thing is, if they want to make any changes, they don't have to go digging through any settings or touch any code. They just type what they want to change. So for example, they typed change the main header background color to orange, and within seconds it updated. Just like that, done. They also showed another example in the demo where someone built a portfolio website for a designer just by typing a simple prompt, and again the whole thing came out looking really clean and professional. About section, portfolio showcase, testimonials, everything was there. And once they're happy with it, they can either export the code or just hit publish directly from inside your platform. So basically, your users are coming to your platform, typing what they want, watching it get built live in seconds, and then publishing it. And the whole thing that's happening, you are getting paid. Okay, so let's talk about the pricing because this is where things get really interesting. The main product, what they call the front end, is just a one-time payment of $16.95. That's it. You pay once and you are done. No monthly fees, no API cost, nothing extra sneaking up on you later. And honestly, for what you are getting, your own fully branded AI platform where you can charge people monthly, $16 is a really low entry price. Like, think about it. You could sign up just 2 or 3 users on your platform and you have already made your money back many times over. It also comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. So if you get inside and feel like it's not for you, you can just ask for a refund, no risk there. Oh, and one more thing that's worth mentioning, it includes a commercial license. So that means you are not just limited to using this for yourself, you can actually use it to build things for clients and charge them for it too, which is a nice little bonus on top of everything else. So yeah, for $16.95 one time, the front end price is honestly pretty hard to complain about. Okay, so now I have to be real with you about the upsells because this is the part most reviewers just skip over, and I don't think that's fair to you. There are 8 upsells in total, and yes, that is a lot. So let me walk you through each one so you know exactly what you are looking at before you pull out your card. The first upsell is called Unlimited and it's $67. This basically removes all the limits from your account. So on the front end, you might have restrictions on how many platforms you can create or how many projects your users can build. This upsell takes all of that away and gives you full unrestricted access. Honestly, this one is probably worth grabbing if you are serious about using VibeAI because limits can get frustrating pretty quickly. The second upsell is done for you and this one is $297, the most expensive one in the whole funnel. Basically, their team comes in and sets everything up for you. If you are someone who just wants the whole thing ready to go without doing any of the setup yourself, this is for you. But if you don't mind doing the simple setup on your own, you can skip this one and save yourself $297. The third upsell is automation at $47. This one is about automating parts of your business so things run on their own without you having to be involved every step of the way. If you want to save time and have things working in the background while you focus on other things, this one makes sense to get. The fourth upsell is Swift Profits at $47. This one seems to be focused on helping you make faster with the platform, basically giving you some kind of shortcut or strategy to start getting paying users quicker. It's affordable, so it's not a big risk to grab it, but it's not essential either. The fifth upsell is Limitless Traffic at $97. This one is about getting people to actually visit your platform. Because look, having a platform is great, but if nobody knows it exists, you are not going to make any. So if you don't already have a way to bring in traffic, this one could be useful. But if you already know how to market online, you can probably skip this. The sixth upsell is the agency version at $167. This one lets you use VibeAI to manage multiple clients and run it like a proper agency business. So instead of just running your own platform, you can create and manage platforms for other businesses and charge them for it. If you're thinking about turning this into a service-based business, this one is worth looking at. The seventh upsell is the franchise edition at $97. This basically gives you the rights to resell VibeAI itself and keep more of the profits. So you are not just running a platform, you are also able to sell the whole VibeAI system to others. If you're into that kind of thing, this could be a nice extra income stream. And the eighth and last upsell is multiple income at $47. This one is focused on showing you different ways to make the platform beyond just charging monthly subscriptions. Good add-on if you want to maximize what you earn, but not a must-have. So look, you don't need to buy all of this. My honest advice is to start with just the front end at $16.95 and see how you like it. If you enjoy it and want to go further, then I would say OTO 1, the unlimited version, is probably the most important one to grab next. The rest really depends on what your goals are and how serious you want to get with this. So, is VibeAI actually worth it? Here is my honest opinion. For $16.95 as a one-time payment, the front-end price is really hard to argue with. Like, even if this thing does half of what it shows in the demo, you are still getting a lot of value for that price. The whole idea behind it is genuinely different from most things I have seen. You are not just buying another AI tool to use, you are actually getting your own platform that you can charge people to use. That's a completely different thing, and I think that's what makes this stand out. The demo looked really impressive and the concept is solid. My honest advice is don't overthink it. Grab the front end, get inside, play around with it, and see how it feels for yourself. Then, once you are in and you know you like it, look at the upsells and pick the ones that actually make sense for what you want to do. Don't just buy everything at once blindly. Start small, test it, and go from there. Alright, guys, so if you have made up your mind and you want to check VibeAI out, my link is right there in the description below. Go ahead and click that to grab it. And here is something important. If you purchase through my link, you are going to get some exclusive bonuses from my side that you won't get anywhere else. These are bonuses I have personally put together to help you get even more out of this. So make sure to grab it through my link so you don't miss out on those. If you have any questions at all, just drop them down in the comments below and we'll get back to you. I read every single comment, so don't be shy. And hey, if this video helped you out and saved you some time, do me a small favor and just hit that like button. It really helps this channel out more than you know. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe because I do honest reviews like this all the time and I don't want you to miss them. Alright, that's it from me and I will see you in the next one. Take care.